This is a 2010 Ford F-150. It has a 5.4-liter 8-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, heated front seats, a low tire pressure indicator, alloy wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: adjustable driver pedals, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, a CD player, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, automatic locking wheel hubs, a passenger side vanity mirror, an anti-lock braking system, a split folding rear seat, and this vehicle has fewer than 60,000 miles on the odometer. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Bartow Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We're located at 2800 US Highway 98 North in Bartow.